In this lesson, you will learn how to earn from Amazon using affiliate marketing in a structured and practical way, exactly how an expert would approach it. You shop on Amazon almost every day, but what if instead of spending money, you could actually earn from Amazon? Yes, people are making money using Amazon without creating their own product and without handling delivery, packaging, or inventory. But here is the truth that most beginners never hear. It is not instant, it is not guaranteed, and most people do it completely wrong. So in this lesson, I will walk you through the correct, updated, step-by-step method to start Amazon affiliate marketing from scratch in the right way. Let us first understand what Amazon affiliate marketing actually is. In simple terms, you promote Amazon products using a special tracking link, and when someone clicks your link and buys something, you earn a commission. This commission is not fixed and depends on the product category. For example, fashion products usually offer higher commissions, while electronics offer lower ones, and these rates can change over time. One very important point you must understand is that you only earn if the purchase happens within Amazon's tracking window, which is usually 24 hours, unless the product is added to the cart. Now let us move to the setup process. First, open your browser and search for Amazon Associates. Then open Amazon Associates Central based on your country, such as Amazon. Click on Sign Up, and here you can either log in using your existing Amazon account or create a new one. Once you log in, you will begin the account setup process where you need to enter your basic details such as your name, address, and phone number. Then, for the main contact, simply select the option that says the payee listed above. When it asks about US tax purposes, if you are not a US person, you should select No. Next comes one of the most important steps, which is adding your platform. Amazon will ask where you plan to promote their products, and you must provide at least one platform such as YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, or a blog or website. For example, if you are using Pinterest, make sure you copy your profile URL directly from the browser and not from the share option. You can add multiple platforms, even up to 50, but at least one is required to proceed. After that, you will complete your profile setup. Here you will create your store ID, which becomes part of your affiliate link, and then describe what your content is about, such as fashion, tech, gadgets, or any specific niche. You will also select the type of platform you are using and mention how you heard about the program. Once you agree to the terms and finish this step, your account will be created. However, understand this clearly, your account is not fully approved yet. You must generate at least 3 qualifying sales within 180 days, otherwise your account can be closed. Now let us set up your payments. You need to enter your bank account details, including account holder name, account number, and IFSC code. Amazon will automatically transfer your earnings once you reach the minimum payout threshold, which is typically around 1,000 rupees for bank transfer in India, although this can vary depending on your region and payment method. After this, you need to complete your tax details. For India, this usually means entering your PAN card details and selecting your tax classification as an individual. This step is important to avoid unnecessary tax deductions and to properly verify your identity. Once your account is fully set up, the next step is generating your affiliate link. Go to the Amazon website and log in using the same account. At the top, you will see a bar called SiteStripe, which is your main tool. When you open any product, you can click on Get Link and generate your affiliate link instantly, and this is the link you will share to earn commissions. Now let us understand how the earning actually works. Suppose a product costs 799 rupees and the commission is 5%. You earn a percentage for every sale made through your link, and if multiple people buy, your earnings grow accordingly. Another powerful advantage is that if someone clicks your link and ends up buying a different product instead of the one you shared, you can still earn commission as long as it happens within the tracking window. Now comes the most critical part, which is promotion. You can promote your links on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, but you must avoid spamming links or promoting random products. This is where most beginners fail. Instead, the real strategy is to choose one specific niche, such as tech gadgets, study products, fashion, home setup, or beauty. Once you choose your niche, you should start creating value-based content around it. For example, instead of just posting a product link, you create content like best headphones under 1,000 or must-have gadgets for students, and then place your affiliate link in the description or bio. When you provide value, people begin to trust you, and when they trust you, they click your links, which leads to sales and commissions. This is the foundation of long-term success in affiliate marketing. If you are using Pinterest, follow a safe and effective approach by creating high-quality pins, adding your affiliate link in the destination URL, and avoiding spam behavior. You should also mix your content by posting both affiliate-based and organic posts so your profile looks natural and valuable, because platforms prefer creators who provide real value rather than just promotions. Now let us talk about a very important legal requirement. You must disclose that you are using affiliate links, and this is not optional. You need to clearly mention that you earn commissions from qualifying purchases. For example, you can write, "As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases," and this should be included in your YouTube descriptions, Pinterest posts, or blogs wherever you share affiliate links. Finally, let us address expectations. This is not instant money, and your results depend on your content quality, your consistency, and the traffic you generate. You should give it at least 3 to 6 months of consistent effort before expecting meaningful results. Stay focused on one niche, stay consistent with your content, and continuously improve your strategy. Do not jump from one category to another, because that breaks your growth. That is how real affiliate earnings are built over time. If you follow this method correctly, you can build a sustainable income stream using Amazon affiliate marketing. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which platform you are planning to start with. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and start taking action.